In this video, we are going to be analysing MULN. So to get straight into it, firstly, we're going to go over the shorter term time frame. So if you're looking to trade this stock really just within this week, these are the levels that we'll be paying attention to. So if we continue this decline in price, we're going to have a support level at 43 cents. Then we would have one at 38. Breaking through there would take us to 35. And then quite far off from there, we'd be looking at 28-29 cents down to around 26-25 cents. And then at a final push would take us to 15 cents. So these would be our shorter term support levels. Obviously some of them are quite close together, like the 38 and the 36 cents. So just use those as zones. Now to the upside, if we start pushing up, what are we paying attention to? And our closest resistance as of now would be 57 cents, 61 cents, 65 cents, and then breaking through there would be 73 cents and 84 cents as these key levels. Now onto the longer term side of things. So if you're looking at a month or more, even just 2 weeks or more horizon, these are going to be the stronger levels. So we may not hit all of these, but they are just going to be those strong levels. So if we come into them, definitely areas to be looking in profits, and or if you're looking to short this stock, these are levels we would start being more short bias on it. So we can see firstly on the support side, we've already got one level, and that's going to be 22 cents, which is statistical mean on the 6 month. All the other deviations on both the 1 year and the 6 month are negative from there. So onto the resistance side, then we're looking at $1.35, $2, $2.47, and then we'll be looking at $3.60, $4.72, and then final levels taking us out to $5.25, $8.50, and a final level at $12. So these would be the key levels that we're focusing on. So if you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.